like wee Lexi. I'm gonna be a cake. Look at the pastry. It's so cool. Oh man, I can't get it. Mix it. Some sugar. That's enough of sugar.
Just be careful because it's going to be hot. Mix it until it melts.
I stuck to it. I don't really like cheese, but I call the butter cheese. And I'm mixing.
It looks like cheese.
Yes.
But it's not cheese.
It's butter. It's so delicious. I love it. It's like it's melting, but it is really melting because it's really hot. There we go. Let's go and put some cornflakes and it's all lovely.
Do they taste good?
I don't know. I didn't taste them yet.
Yummy?
It's so ready. It's ready to go on the buns now.
We have got some
Jam and chocolate. So let's go and open the jam first.
Okay.
Let's go. Scrubby. See the chocolate.
Open chocolate. Set it pastry like that. Lexi's enjoying the chocolate. Now we are ready to put on the cornflake.
Let's go and lift them.
So they're ready to go in the oven.
Again. The buns is ready. Let's go get Yummy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Turn on channel notifications, hit the subscribe button and like.